The BOSCH RAP7PK 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set is a highly versatile tool with top-quality construction, making it a valuable addition to any professional or DIY toolkit. This set incorporates wood reciprocating saw blades that are designed with high-quality materials and an optimized 6-teeth per inch design, ensuring blades that cut faster and last longer. The set also includes metal reciprocating saw blades, constructed from bimetal and featuring reinforced pair-setting teeth, and thin-kerf 0.035-inch bodies for professional quality high performance. The wood with nails reciprocating saw blades in this set are designed with bimetal construction, reinforced 5/8 variable pitch teeth for fast cutting, and taper backs and plunge tips for easy starts. The demolition reciprocating saw blades in this set combine bimetal construction with reinforced 10/14 variable tooth pitch for fast cutting, ensuring outstanding durability. The bimetal material used in the construction of these blades delivers a hardened cutting edge, making the BOSCH RAP7PK 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set a durable and reliable choice for any cutting task.